Out here today working on the Chevette, working on the floor, welding it in. Since the last time I've got these pieces cut out and put on the brake and bent and welded in to hold the floor up on the sides to give something to weld to. Getting a piece made up to patch this hole here like that. It's where I cut out some rust. Got this side pretty much welded in. All that's left to do now is I'm going to drill holes from the top through the sheet metal so we can spot weld it onto the frame to get rid of the popping that it has. So like that. And then we'll prime it and seam seal it and paint it so it looks like the firewall. I got this side of the floor welded in. Got it stitched along the side there. Got some nice spot welds or plug welds through the middle. Hold it down to the frame. So now it's nice and solid. It's a little softer in the back because I don't have any beads in it, but by the time I put my braces in there for my seats to mount on, I think it'll be plenty solid. So I'm gonna get the other side welded in. Got to drill the holes. And then I'll be ready to put some primer on it to keep it from rusting any worse. Got the floor welded in all across this side just like the other side, and I got a coat of self-etching primer on it. So I'm gonna get this seam sealed and put some satin black on it like we did on the firewall, and then we'll raise it up and put some primer on the bottom side. Got the tops of the floors done. Got a coat of satin black on them. It's still pretty wet, so it looks pretty shiny. So I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. You won't see much of it once I get my sound deadening and my carpet in there, but so now all I got to do is raise it up and do the exact same thing to the bottom of the floor. Got the Chevette back up in the air, got all the floors painted. I primed them first and then seam sealed all the cracks that I didn't get from the top just to keep it from getting dirt up in there and causing issues later on. So, got it painted up, looks pretty good, but you won't see it so it don't really matter. That'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment below.